Federation of India Chamber of Commerce and Industry Day Revenue Department ni Chaitokmung bai Srangsalo Agartala Pragnabhavano Khlaijakha Salnwi Workshop Panda no Chengshawi Rikha Hastini Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shaha Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry Revenue Department ni Chaitokmung bai Srangsalo Agartala Pragnabhavano Khlaijakha Industrial Disaster Risk Management Identifying System te Earthquake ni Risks Pipeline Safety te Resilience of Critical Infrastructure no tuye Salnwi Workshop Panda no Chengshawi Rikha Hastini Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shaha Workshop Panda o Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shaha no Karai Bumanjakha Hastini Chief Secretary J.K. Singha Revenue Bedek ni Dagi Fang Punit Agarwal no Khoboi Hapang ni Kubun o Jamarok Tripura haste bangkotor phainani amsaini bisingo khobjago oboni bagai oberemni workshop Panda Chini hasteni bagai belai nangkhukmani hinai shakha hasteni mantri okra Dr. Manik Shaha
726.6 megawatt gas-based power generation plant at TPC Palatana, Eco power generation plant at Bhujannagar and Munakshi, gas thermal power station at Rukhia and Banagura, Indian bottling plant at Bhujannagar, Indian oil depot at Vishalgarh, Dharmnagar.
Indeed, I am very happy to be here to inaugurate this two-day conference on industrial disaster risk management with focus on identifying system and seismic risk, pipeline security, and resilience of critical infrastructure for 2 days at Agartala, Tripura. I convey thanks to FICCI for organizing the conference in association with Revenue Department, Government of Tripura. And I am sure this conference will help, and it is the need of the hour for the state of Tripura. Already our Chief Secretary, sir, already have mentioned that yesterday there was earthquake in Delhi, and how it could be the terrible for all the people. So on the same day, we are also here for this kind of conference, and certainly this will help us. We all know that Tripura is a very small state, but it is very highly vulnerable to various natural and man-made disasters. Entire state is vulnerable to earthquakes, as it falls under the seismic zone already mentioned, the 5, which is highest earthquake vulnerable zone in earthquake zonation map of India. The state is also vulnerable to cyclones, thunderstorms, lightning, floods, landslide, fires, and many other man-made hazards. Recently, the state witnessed already, Mr. Sinha already mentioned, the cyclone Chitran. Although the impact was not as it was predicted, but the entire state machinery was prepared and took prompt actions for its management. Floods in the state is occurring frequently during the monsoon season as well as beyond the season also. Last year the flood occurred in the state during December 2021 due to impact of cyclone Java, and due to this the agriculture sector in the state got affected. It is observed that due to climate change, untimely disasters are occurring and their frequencies are also increasing. Now, specific to gas and oil industries in the state, already I have mentioned here, we have the agencies such as ONGC, TNGCL, Indian Oil Corporation, and Oil India Limited having their own operation and installations. These installations are highly vulnerable to chemical disaster such as fire, etc. Gas pipelines are also highly vulnerable. Mr. Punit Agarwal already have mentioned about this also. To earthquake disasters, as per the need of the state, fuel tankers are being transported from other states through roads and rails, which involves potential risks to disaster. So such type of conference will help both the oil and gas industries as well as the state administration for better preparedness and preventive measures for associated disaster. Our Chief Secretary mentioned that prevention is better than cure. I will add that it is cheaper than cure.
seismic June 5 ni bisingo khobjago Tripura haste fiaba nangmani jorawa nangmani saktharmungno chini bagai belai nangkhungmani hine bosakha hasteni mantri okra Dr. Manik Saha Rajakhor agulini simi pranobni kokthum chini Khorang